Hello and welcome to this presentation for automobile engineering. The vehicle we are going to present is 2013 Ford Figo. Before we move on to the details of the car, let us look at the history of Ford Motor Company. Ford is an American automobile company founded in 1903 by Henry Ford, who previously worked on various cars with Thomas Edison. In 1896, Ford made a four-wheeled bicycle which ran on a motor. This laid the foundations for the development of automobiles into the form we know today. The Model T, introduced in 1908 by Ford, became the best-selling car in America at that time due to its affordability. This helped Ford become one of the biggest car manufacturers in the world. Ford is also credited with the implementation of a moving assembly line concept and mass production. Further, Ford also has racing pedigree. Ford partnered with Carroll Shelby for the famous 24-hour Le Mans race in France, which they won for 3 consecutive years using the famous Ford GT car. Moving on to the car itself, Ford Figo was first introduced in India in 2010 and it was offered in LXI, EXI, ZXI and titanium variant. This is a 2013 model and a 1.4 TDCI EXI variant with an ex-showroom price of 5.73 lakh rupees. It is a sub 4 meter, 5 door hatchback running on diesel fuel having 45 liters fuel capacity. The boot space offered is also generous at 284 liters.
The most important component of a car is an engine. The engine used in a car that is Ford Figo is a Duratorq DLD414 or DV4. It is a 1.4L or 1399 cc inline 4 turbo diesel, which gives a maximum power of 68 bhp at 4000 rpm and a maximum torque of 160 Nm at 2000 rpm. It gives a mileage of 20 kmpl. As I said, it is a 4-cylinder engine, so it has a working similar to typical 4-cylinder IC engine. The next important component is the suspension. It uses independent McPherson strut with a dual path mounts as a front suspension. A McPherson strut uses a wishbone or a substantial compression linked by a secondary link, which provides a mounting point for the hub carrier or axle of the wheel, which gives a good stability to car. For rear suspension, it uses semi-independent twist beam and coil springs. The twist beam rear suspension is based on large H or C-shaped member. The front of H attaches to the body via rubber bushings and the rear of the H carries each stub axle assembly on each side of the car. Lastly, we have a transmission. It is equipped with 5-speed manual transmission system having a front wheel drive as a drivetrain. A manual transmission requires the driver to operate the gear stick and clutch in order to change gears, unlike an automatic transmission. A manual transmission comes with a gearbox, a clutch, a differential and a rear axle. Gearbox is a constant mesh type, which means all gears are in mesh with each other and it has a 5 gear and a reverse gear. Differential used is a limited slip differential and a clutch is a friction clutch.
Now, moving to the braking system, the Ford Figo has ventilated disc brake on the front wheels and drum brakes on the rear wheel. First, about disc brake, which consists of a wheel hub assembly, disc brake rotor, brake caliper assembly, and finally wheel and lug nuts. When you apply the brakes, the caliper will receive high pressure hydraulic fluid from the brake master cylinder. Once the inner brake pad is pushed against the rotor, the fluid will push the caliper frame. The outer brake pad will now be pulled towards the other side of disc rotor, which stops the wheel rotation and brings the car to the rest. This is how the disc brake works. Now about the drum brakes on the rear wheels. It consists of a brake drum, wheel hub, back plate, brake shoes, brake lining, hold down spring, upper and lower retaining springs, and wheel cylinder. Now, the wheel cylinder receives the force that we apply on brake pedal. The hydraulic fluid pushes the wheel cylinder pistons, which pushes the brake shoes. This action creates a friction between the brake liner and the inner surface of the drum and brings the car to the rest. This is how drum brake works. Next, in Figo, for steering, the vehicle uses power steering mechanism. It uses a brushless DC motor which drives the steering column and a pinion. The motor is capable of rotating in both clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. Electronic control unit (ECU) decides the amount of power the motor should transfer to the column. The ECU takes the following inputs such as torque the driver has applied to the steering wheel, the steering angle, the steering wheel speed, and the vehicle speed. Then it decides the appropriate torque to be supplied. A Hall of Fact based sensor and torsion bar arrangement is used to measure the driver's input torque. Due to motor's power assistance, the steering wheel rotation becomes effortless for the driver. The rotation of wheels from steering wheel passes through a set of planetary gear sets. The output is drawn from carrier and worm gear, and also it becomes a ring gear for the planetary gear set. During normal operations, power from the ring gear will be easily transferred to the carrier. In case of a motor failure, the ring gear cannot move. However, you can see the driver's manual rotation of the sun gear will be transferred to the carrier and finally to the pinion gear. Thus, this is how power steering works. And hereby, we conclude our presentation on the Ford Figo and its working on its components. Thank you so much for watching.